The romantic narcissistic love patterns you shouldn't ignore. The romantic narcissist is slightly different from other narcissists. When it comes to love, they genuinely fall in love and love being in love. They love all the entanglements of a perfect romance as much as you do. They always do their best to make sure that the relationship sails smoothly. They are always at their best and make sure to be fully present, dating the dating stage of a relationship. They are not shy of you and make sure to show you off to as many people that care as possible. They want everyone to see how perfect you two are to each other. Romantic narcissists even go to the extent of planning weddings and even encourage you to start preparing names for your children. They make you feel so much in love that you don't wish it will ever end. But when you start to feel relaxed in the relationship, with the belief that you have finally met the right man, they begin to act cold. They begin to back away from you. They reduce the way they call you and start giving you unnecessary excuses on why they can't meet you anymore as planned. They start giving excuses of work stress and their family always coming around. They suddenly stop the talk about plans and all the love slowly dies. You try to reach out in an attempt to bring them back, but all your efforts are futile. They begin to get ideas that you don't fit into their fantasies of perfect love. They begin to see your flaws and now get bored by your presence. Instead of creating a greater level of intimacy, they begin to feel disenchanted and subdued as the relationship becomes more real. Instead of planning for the future, they want out, and suddenly out of the blues, they are gone. At this point, you are left with so many unanswered questions. What did you do? Why did they leave? Was anything between you guys real? Will they ever come back? There are two significant explanations that they use to justify leaving you. 1. You are not who they thought you were. This justification allows them to take themselves off any blames. They make it seem like it is your fault that things didn't work out, and now that they know your errors, there is no use in them staying with you. The truth is they were never in love with you, but in love with the idea of being a perfect couple that everyone loved and envied. 2. Yours is a fated and disastrous love. They tell you that the relationship failed to work because it was dead from the onset due to forces beyond their control taking over the relationship. This version is based on the things they have read in books and seen in movies. What happens next is simple. They quickly quit the relationship based on the excuses which they have successfully given to you. But as they move, they are likely to look back on the relationship with reminiscence. They say so many sweet things about you and wish they are still with you, but the truth is they are not really in love with you, but in love with the idea. So if you should give them another chance, they will still leave you again and again. So, what do you think about this video? Please don't hesitate to share your opinions in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to join our notification squad. Thanks for watching.